1 and 2. I already uploaded. I already uploaded. Hello, hello. This is Charles, California. Welcome back to my channel, Charles Angel. Today we're going to have an update of the bag that I sent to Louis Vuitton to get repaired, and then now I got it. Yesterday I went to the Louis Vuitton Costa Mesa. I met the beautiful Raquel, and she's my Instagram friends. Now we met for the first time, so we're real friends now, not just on social media. And then I also met Brenda, her friend, and then we went to Myra Perez, my Louis Vuitton advisor, client advisor in Costa Mesa, and then she brought me this. So yeah, I got this one back. This is the Speedy that I was telling you. This is just an update of what happened to my Speedy. And then today we're going to unbox it today so that I can give this to my mom already, because this is a long due Mother's Day gift. So if mom, if you're watching, this is for you because I love you. And then happy Mother's Day, happy belated Mother's Day. Yeah, so let's check this out today. Uh, she was so nice. She gave us the Louis Vuitton bag, and then she also put it in a real nice big box. She's super nice. She went above and beyond. That's why I love her. I go to her every time for all my repairs because she's the best. Look at this one. She really packed it really nice. And yeah, so we're gonna open this one. And then there's extras. She really went bit above and beyond. Today, she gave us the dust bag. It's not just a regular dust bag. It's a string dust bag. And then to reveal, I'm going to insert the before pictures and then after pictures. But look at this gorgeousness. Oh my goodness. I want you to see this. Oh my God. Look at this one now. This is the Speedy that I'm gonna give to my mother. So I'm gonna open it up for you guys so you'll see how gorgeous this is. I already put this one on my social media. If you follow me on Instagram, it's already there. It's Charles, California. I'm going to link that one below. So this is the new old Speedy. So I don't know how you're gonna call this one now. If this is called the brand new old Speedy, because this one is how old is this one? She said it's on here. It's inside. It's under the flap. Under the flap, you will see the date code. It's there. So there's the date code right there. And this one is PH0021. So this one is February 2001. So it's like 18 years. Not bad. But look. So with this bag, no problem with the canvas. The canvas are all gorgeous. It's one whole canvas. The one that she changed was the leather, the vachetas of it, the leather part of it, which is the handle. The shapes are so gorgeous now with the new hardware. This one, it was gone last time, but now it's here. And then the pull tab is gone too, but now it's here. So she replaced that. And then even the flap right here. Look at the gorgeous, gorgeous piping. Both sides, they changed the pipings of it. And then the zipper are still the same. I just cleaned it up. The zipper, it's all the same. I just cleaned it up. And then she gave me a new pull tab. But this one, it's all the same. So which is really, because it's really nice according to her anyways. So the inside, it's still the same, of course. So yeah, the inside, it's still gorgeous and nice anyways. It looks new. And then the good thing about this one is that she's super nice. I love her. I love her. I love you, Myra. You really do above and beyond to your customers. I'll set it up right there. She gave us a free keys and a free lock. How is that? Huh? It's really nice. This is for free, she told me. And then with the keys, there's the number on here, which is 322, and then number on the bottom, which is 322. It should match. It should match it because that's how they do this, so that they know that it will open it up. And there you go. Ta-da! So my mom can put that one on here or on the tab, but this one is a simple appreciation of to my mom. I know you have done a lot for me. You have done a lot for the family. Thank you very much for all your sacrifices, for the love and support. I'm really thankful. If not with you, we're not gonna be here, and then we're not going to be where are at today. And I thank you. Because of you, it's all the mothers actually. Because of all you guys, we are here today. We are on our position today, where we're at because of you. And then I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love you, I love you, and I love you. And you know that. This is just a simple thank you. I know it's a pre-loved one, but eventually, probably when I become a millionaire, or when I become when I have a lot of money, I'll buy you a brand new one. But for the meantime, it's a brand new old Speedy. So yeah, so it's really, I hope she'll appreciate this. And yeah, I love you, Mom, and happy Mother's Day. And then I hope you love this bag. I'm going to, I don't know if you're going to see this video first, or you're going to see the bag. I hope you're going to see the bag first and then see this video. So yeah, thank you very much. So that's the update. So Mom, close your ears already, okay? Because we're going to talk numbers. I bought the canvas from J-Ports. From my friends to J-Ports, thank you too for the opportunity that you're giving us to buy luxury items on a budget. Anyways, and then I do have those videos up already on my channel. You can look at that one, Luxury on a Budget, episodes 1 and 2. I already uploaded it, and then I do have another one, episode 3 coming up, so watch out on that one. Anyways, going back to this one, so this is the one. I bought this one for less than $200 for the bag because it's like the condition of it was worse. I'm going to insert the picture of it, and then all the leathers changed. From Louis Vuitton, it's like $540. So technically for this one, I saved 50%. So this one is probably $740, and then the new bag is $1,200, $1,400. So I save, look at this one. I save 50%, almost 50% just for this one. But look at this one. It looks so gorgeous. And what are you gonna ask for, right? So this is nice. I don't know if this is, I think this is Speedy 30, or 35 or 25. It's not 25 because it's too big for that. I think it's 35. So that's that. I don't know how you can tell if the Speedy is 35 or 25. So yeah, I don't know how to tell that. But anyways, so that's the numbers for this one. 50% off that I got this one, not, here's the thing, not from the Louis Vuitton store, but the repair is from them, and then the bag itself is from J-Ports. So I encourage you all to go to J-Ports on Facebook. They do have auction every day, different ones with my J-Port friends. I'm not gonna say your names because I miss out names here and there, so I don't want to offend anybody. But anyway, so yeah, so I encourage you to do that, and then you can bring it to Louis Vuitton, and then your good client advisors will able to hook you up. And then look what I got. I was so blessed to have all the people behind me, that I'm able to give a luxury piece to my mom, 50% off. So yeah. Okay. So this one is for a long June Mother's Day gift. And this is my mom. Say hi.
Hi. Hi to all the viewers of Charles California. And thank you to Louis Vuitton also.
Let's open this. Let's open this one later. Because this one is.
Yeah, the unveiling of my gift
For Mother's Day.
post Mother's Day. Ta-da!
I already explained it to you what it is, right? So yeah.
Oh! Actually, this is my first time to have original LV bag. Oh my god, thank you so much. I will not be afraid anymore to display my LV bag.
And then this one.
I don't want to get caught by the intelligence using fake bag.
And then there's a key.
Oh, a key. Thank you so much.
There's another one.
Oh, another
That's
wow.
for this.
Oh
You
wow.
can put it on.
Complete accessories.
But then we didn't get the spray. Because I was telling her to get the spray. So that the structure of the bag will be much better.
It's so fancy.
So now you have this. See, and then this one, it can go inside too. So that if you're going to put anything, so there you go.
Wow. Thank you for Charles' friend who made this refurbished. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this is rework done. It's kind of new, a new one. I will not be afraid anymore to display my LV bag. This is original.
Yay!
Yay!
There you go.
So fancy.
I think it's too small. Thank you very much for watching. This is Charles, California. If you have any questions, comments, and violent reactions, let me know. Comment below. And I will see you again in the next video. Thank you very much. I love you all. Charles Angels. I will see you again in the next video. Bye.